All right, so let's get the engine to start. We have already checked the fuel quantity, the fuel sump, we sumped the tanks. Okay, all of this stuff is working. When the G3X comes on, because it takes care of your fuel quantity, it asks you a question to confirm your fuel quantity, and that we have that much fuel, and yes, we're good there. Okay, that's all good. Okay, now we need to check the seatbelts. Seatbelts are on, yes. And we're going to want to go ahead and close the doors. Electrical equipment, we have that on. Everything's off, off, off. Circuit breakers are all good. Generator is off at the moment. Circuit breakers are in, yeah. Fuel selector valve to both tanks. We do that. Isolation is off. Isolation in the engine is we can isolate the fuel control unit so fuel is running directly into the engine, and you control that through a condition lever. It's just a secondary way to run the engine. Propeller in feather. Master is on. Voltage minimum 24.7. Igniters 1 and 2. So we're going to test the igniters. It probably doesn't come through, but I can hear the click, 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 click from the igniters. Elevator trim tabs. And while we're waiting to reset the elevators, let's go ahead and start the engine. We want to turn the fuel pump on, and we look for fuel pressure, and fuel pressure looks good. So what we're going to do is turn the start system, engage start system in the engine, like that. We turn the fuel on through the condition lever, and the engine will start. Okay, we have an engine light, and what we're looking at is the ITT temperature. We have an auto start system, so it automatically controls the temperature of the engine as it starts. Okay, so now we're going to turn the generator on. We know we have good voltage. You know the voltage went up, so we know the generator's working and amps went up. And turn the air conditioner on. Radio master's already on, and we'll turn our lights on, strobe and position lights. We've checked the brakes. We look for oil temperature and oil pressure. Generator is on. We checked the voltage, air conditioner if required. Okay, everything else looks good.